everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Monday, July 20, and these are the top 5 things to know. Kicking it off with number 1. Stocks are set for a lower open as Wall Street braces for another eventful week. Futures on the Dow Jones Industrial Average pointed to a loss of about 100 points as of last check. Futures on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ also pointed to a negative Monday start for the two indices. On to number 2. In earnings, IBM will release quarterly results after the bell this afternoon as a busy earnings week kicks off. Beyond the top and bottom line numbers, which are expected to show a big drop from the same quarter a year earlier, investors will be focusing on two things: how the ongoing coronavirus outbreak is affecting its business, and how well IBM's cloud segment performed over the last 3 months. IBM stock has been coming back to life lately, rallying into its earnings report as it deepens its push into cloud computing and AI. So we'll see if there's more in that earnings report to justify further gains. On to number 3. With all due respect to earnings, signs of progress on the coronavirus vaccine front could be the main driver of sentiment today. The Lancet, a respected weekly medical journal, is expected to publish eagerly anticipated early-stage human trial data on a vaccine developed by Oxford University and AstraZeneca later today. This comes with the number of U.S. coronavirus infections having climbed to around 3.7 million, with over 140,000 deaths, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. On to number 4. Another potential driver of risk sentiment today will be U.S. fiscal stimulus headlines. Congress heads back to work on Monday and is expected to begin negotiations on a new multi-trillion-dollar fiscal stimulus package that would address state and local government aid, as well as the soon-to-expire enhanced unemployment benefits, which pays out $600 to millions of out-of-work Americans every week. There's still a lot between the Republicans and Democrats regarding the size and content of the bill. The Republicans want to cap it at around $1 trillion, while Democrats are pushing for a figure 3 times as much, close to the $3 trillion range. So keep your eyes on that as the session progresses. And finally, on to number 5 in commodities. Oil prices are lower to start the week as the growth of coronavirus cases around the world continues to pose a threat to the recovery in fuel demand. US WTI crude futures were off by around 1% in early trade. So that's it for me for today. If you don't already know, you can now listen to these daily videos in podcast format on Apple Music as well as on the Investing.com app. Don't forget to head over to YouTube, hit the like button and the subscribe button. May the trading guys be with you. Have a good day, everybody.